Hi guys, it's Jackie B. I'm out of the Big Brother house now and I'm here to go through some of your comments you sent in about my presence in the Big Brother house. Let's go. So first comment is from Zaza Mzamo. Jackie B, when Michael was still in the house, you were ignoring white money, so why the sudden closeness? First of all, Zaza, I was not ignoring white money. I never ignored white money. He decided and chose to keep his distance from me because of his respect and friendship with Michael. So of course, I'm not gonna go the drag him now. Like, we had very good conversations when we did. There was no ignoring, to be honest. I think you have that wrong, Zaza. So no. Another comment by Shirani Abiti Gifoshi. I hope I pronounced your name right. Why are you so humble? Oh, thank you. I guess it's just who I am and how I was brought up. That's really just who I am. But thank you for noticing. I love you. Next comment from Umwangili Salivia. I hope I pronounced your name well. She says, we love you so much and wish you all the best. And with this crying smiley and the love. Don't cry, baby girl. I love you so much. And thank you for all the best wishes. Obobi Samo says, I remember the day the ladies joined the men in the Big Brother house. People were warmed up to Jackie B. Her name was mentioned everywhere. How she nosedived from being the most talked about housemate on the first day to one of the weakest housemates still baffles me. Or, let me talk the whole. I just can't get my head around it. She was truly loved the first day. I remember it like it was yesterday, SMH. I guess she didn't play her game well. Well, Obobi, I didn't go there to play a game. I went there to be myself, and that was my game, okay? So if I was loved in the beginning and, I don't know, loved less towards the end, that's absolutely fine. It doesn't change who I am. And I do believe everything happens for a reason. I'm here now, out of the house in the 7th week because it's destined to happen. So no regrets, baby girl. Beck Simi Collection says, Jackie B conducted herself well in the house. She left with her head held high, and I'm proud of you. Thank you so much, baby girl. Yes, indeed, I stayed true to myself, and I left very proud of my accomplishments and getting as far as I did in the game, and that's enough for me. So thank you for that as well. StarTech CRL says, Jackie Bent, please forgive us. Queen deceived us. We did not know my white money was crushing on you. You would have been in top 5. Oh, StarTech CRL. I guess it's God's plan for me to not be in the top 5, and that's absolutely fine. I'm not mad at Queen. She's who she is. And yeah, white has been crushing on me since, I don't see Abba. You talk now. But yeah, thank you, StarTech, for that message. And that's it, guys, for the message I'll be going through. Thank you for all the messages, guys. I love you so much. And I can't wait to meet you guys.